Okay, here's our newest project. We bought or sold the Dodge I had that I'd put the lift on, and this one here will be getting a 7-inch rough country lift with 35 1250. Don't know exactly when, it might be another month before I get it, but yep, newest project. And we will be putting a pedal commander on it. As if anybody knows about these trucks, they don't have no very good gas response to it. Pedal response, where it's drive-by-wire. But we're gonna try this pedal commander out. So we'll do a video on that when I get it, or get the start on it. Okay, yep. This is our newest one.